Likambo euti musika. A word has come from far. Nazaliko banga that makes me worried or afraid. Nakati ya mikili ya mpoto, amid countries of Europe, ngake ebeti, thunder has struck. Kembi enzo kwelei bilanga. Kembi, an elephant ate crops. Kembi libala ekoti bondoki. Kembi, sorcery has entered in marriage. Naloti mama nayo azali kongala. I dreamed that your mother went to a witch doctor. Akangi liputa na kingo. She had wrapped her neck. Liputa ya pembe is a white wrapper like leso nyeupe. Azaliko lukanga mpo te tobunda. She's looking for us not to fight. Ngai nazali mwana. I am still her son. Azali mama, and she's my mother. Kembi libale koti bonganga. Kembi, sorcery has entered in marriage. Kembi libale koti bondoki. Kembi, witchcraft has come into a marriage. Sima mikolo na yeko ye bantina. Later, I came to know the mistake, the problem. Mobali na yo ya kala alobi. Your old husband says, bazongisa ye mbongo na ye. He wants the dowry paid for you returned. Kembi oyo ndimiri kambo oyo. Kembi, you knew all this, eh? Tobalani na kati ya katie. We got married in the neighborhood, eh? Na miso ya baninga. As we friends witnessed. Baboti bavandi. Our parents were present. Losikia temwe with the traditional beer. Kembi bakatingai mokongo. Kembi, they have broken my back. Kembi babetingai mpatana elongi. They have slapped me on the face, eh? So on vocals is Pompon Kuleta Joskiki Ambukuta Londas, the guest artist, Antitable. The song was released 1983 or 84. So Dino Vangu playing the solo guitar, Shamba Kahamba bass guitar. Solo guitar is by Pango Kasongo. Petit Mando playing the drums. Modero Mekanisi saxophone. A word has come from far. Nazaliko banga, I am afraid. Nakati ya mikili ya mpoto. Amid countries of Europe, thunder has struck. Kembi, an elephant has ate the crops or the plantations. Sorcery has entered in marriage, Kembi. I dreamed that your mother went to a witch doctor. She had wrapped her neck. Kokanga is to wrap or to tie. Liputa, that is a wrapper. Kingo is the neck, eh? Liputa ya pembe, that is like a leso nyeupe or a white wrapper. Azaliko lukanga mpote tobunda. She's looking for us not to fight. I'm still her son. She's my mother. Kembi Sorceress entered in marriage. Mwamikolo naye. After some days I came Koye Bantina to know the reason. Mobali nayo yakala lobi. Your old husband says he wants the dowry paid to be returned. Kembi, you knew all this. We got married in the neighborhood as friends witnessed. Our parents were present with the traditional beer. They have broken my back. They have slapped me on the face. Balola elongi, talaka nasima. Just saying that, please look back. Turn and look back. Talaka nasima, look back and listen to issues or advice. Yokaka makambo. Ngai mobali na yo, I am your husband. Ngai molongani, I am your partner. Balola elongi just means turn your face. Talaka nasima, and look back. Talaka nasima, look back. Yokaka makambo, listen to the word. Ngai mobali na yo, I am your husband. Ngai molonga, I am your partner. Bateki singai, they have betrayed me, they have sold me. Mwana moto, somebody's son. Baby singai dossier. They have destroyed me. Ngai mobali na yo, I am your husband. I am your partner. You can hear the voice of Joski in the background. Just saying that, turn back your face. Look back and listen to the advice. Joski, pompon kuleta. Just saying, turn back. Turn your face back. Look back and listen to words or advice. I am your husband. I am your partner. Balola elongi, turn your face. Talangai sherina yo. Look at me, your dear. Bapansingai sango yazua. They have slandered me due to jealousy. I am your partner. I am your husband. Turn back and listen to advice. I am your husband. You are I'm your partner. Turn your face back. Look back and listen to the advice. Ngai molongani na yo, I am your partner. Na yo natia motema, I've put my heart in trust in you. Batobaye mingi, people are tired. So that they are destroying me. Look back and listen to the advice. I am your husband. I am your partner.
Hey, stop.
That's an stop advertisement.
Facing low deliverability.
The song was composed by Pompon Kuleta. He also composed Amilo. Congo. Table was a Congo. Ikimambu. Na Lukanguya. I'm looking for power. Tunataka power. Ikimambu na Lukanguya. Think that is, na Lukanguya. It's just Lingala. Nguya is power. Ikimambu, someone's name. I'm looking for power. Tunataka power. I'm looking for power. So those are just like dedications. Wapi Bazuzi? Bazuzi are judges. Where are the judges? Ikimambo, I'm looking for power. Mambo ni problems, Mambo. Ibeba, it is spoiled, Ibeba, it is destroyed, it is spoiled, Ibeba lelo, it is spoiled today. It is destroyed. Lelo is today. Tokobongisa lobby, will fix it tomorrow. It is spoiled. Tokobongisa sima, we'll fix it, we'll repair it later. Thank you. Tokobongisa lobby.